Mama, look! So many carrots!
Snowy, let's hurry! The rain is coming!
I'll ride here with the veggies!
Hold on tight, Snowy!
Mama, this bridge looks scary! Mama, the bridge sounds scary!
Don't worry, Snowy. Just hold on. We'll be careful. Snowy!
Mama! Where are you? Somebody, please help my mama! Please, my mama fell into the river! Help us!
Quick, we'll take the boat.
Mama! Can you hear me? There! She's there! Please hurry!
Snowy! Snowy!
Mama? Mama, I thought I lost you.
Hold on. We're almost there.
Thank you so much. It's nothing. In hard times, we must help each other.
When someone is in trouble, always help them. One day, you may need help too.
Always be there for others in difficult times. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog.